Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Are you guys ready to download Windows the correct way? The only right way is to download Linux first and put that shit in a fucking VM. Alright? So, we're going to go over here to the Microsoft website. And you're going to pick the multi-edition for x64 architecture devices. And then gonna come over here to product language, pick whatever language you speak or read, whatever, you know what I'm saying. And come over here to Vert.io Win. It's in the description. I got you guys. There's no need to go searching around on the fucking internet for this shit. So, sorry if you hear my dog licking himself. Vert.io Win package scripts. That's what repository we're in. I'm gonna scroll down to downloads. We're gonna pick the latest Vert.io Win ISO. Alright, pick that shit, download it. It's just for, it gives us a signature or some shit so it works. Alright, so that's that. And we're gonna fucking close that shit. Close it. Alright, then we're gonna go over to whatever virtual machine manager you use. Go ahead and add that motherfucker. And gonna come to downloads. Go to browse local. Pick the Windows 11 ISO image that you just downloaded. Open that thing up. Go ahead and apply the amount of memory you need. In this case, I'm gonna just give that thing some 16,384. I'm gonna bump that up to 12 CPU threads. 128 should be fine for right now. You can always add more if you want. Forward. I'm gonna call this YouTube. Customize configuration before install. Finish. Alright, so we're going to click over here. We're going to go to Secure Boot for x64. You don't want 32-bit, so we're going to click on that, click Apply. Go to CPUs, manually set CPU topology. Bring this down to one socket, 6 cores. 2 threads. Apply. Then we go to boot options. We're going to enable the boot menu. Click on SATA CD-ROM 1. Move that thing up to the first. Click apply. Go to add hardware. Then right here we're going to click select or create custom storage. Manage. Downloads. We're going to click that driver that we installed. We're off the GitHub, remember? Choose volume. Change device type to CD-ROM. Click finish. Alright, then we're going to click that. Hit apply. Ooh, and also, for TPM device, to get this to pop up for you, you need to do this command right now. Alright. Sudo. You're gonna run pacman sudo pacman -s swtpn. I wanna say. Yeah, I think. Yes, alright. So you're going to go ahead and download that package, and once it's downloaded, if you didn't have it already, go ahead and close this and just redo it, alright? And then you'll have this little, just redo it, alright? And you'll have this little option down here, which you need. Alright, so I'm going to close our terminal, move this thing over here, move this back up over here, go to display spice, I like to click none. OpenGL, even though this doesn't do anything, because you have to mess with the configs to pass your GPU through. Apply. It's pretty much just using our integrated graphics right now. I'm not sure how to pass GPUs through right now, but there's someone out there that knows how to. Alright, for here, make sure this is set to QXL. That shit will not work the right way for the screen being set like the view. You'll see a little bit in the video, alright? So next we're gonna go to TPM, hit advanced, go down to version, yes, 2.0. Bam. Apply that bitch. Alright, everything's looking good. Bam, bam, bam. Oh wait, go to SATA disk 1, change that to vert.io, and hit apply. Alright, and that should be about it for right now. Let's go ahead and begin installation. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and let this boot up. Make sure to press key to enter to boot that thing. Alt or Control Alt to release your key. Alright, let's begin this installation process. Next, select your keyboard input method. We're going to pick US in our case. Install Windows 11. I agree. Next, I do not have a product key. I am not paying $140 fucking for Windows. Are you high? Alright. Okay, pick a Windows 11 Pro. You know, that's the best way to go, is Pro, you know what I mean? Next. Ooh, look at that, it worked. Accept. Alright, searching for disks. Alright, for this part, we're going to click load driver, browse. Go over here to that vert.io win driver. It's going to say either AMD or Intel, or x64 if you're on Intel. Go down here and pick W11, which is short for Windows 11 if you didn't know that. Okay, select this, click install, yada yada. Alright, go ahead and make sure this is highlighted and click next. Install. Alright, there it is. Windows is installing. Alright, and we will be back when this is done. Alright, after this reboots, we are going to not press anything and let it load, because you will enter the boot thing again and install it. Alright, it's loading up. And we'll be back again when this is done. Alright, so in this we're going to pick United States, or wherever you're from. I have no idea. Go ahead and pick your keyboard layout. Yes, US for our case. Skip that. And let's see. Let's go ahead and turn that all the way down. We don't care about you, Windows. Alright, it's loading. Now your PC will restart again. Sweet. Nice. And I believe it's going to take us into another install screen, maybe. Alright, remember, don't press nothing. Let it load. Don't press anything. Just let it load. Alright, here we go. It's going to bring us into the setup screen. Alright, name your device. We're going to call this Free Windows. You know what I mean? Next. Alright. Okay. Here we go again with another restart. This is why I don't like Windows, and I'm a Linux nerd. So, okay, it's loading. Like, Linux would have been done installing by now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Alright, nah, we're not gonna start the update right now. Set up for personal use, next. Okay. Checking for Windows updates, gotta love it. And I'll see you in a little bit. Let this do its thing and download, alright? Alright, see you. Alright, we are back, and we're going to sign in. It should. I guess this ain't like Windows 10. I don't know. You might have to turn off the internet real quick if you wanted to go ahead and make an offline thing and not sign into shit. But we're gonna go ahead and sign in, alright? So pin. Just gonna make this bam, 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 bam. Okay. Alright, bro. See, this is why I don't use fucking Windows. Like, it's so dog shit. Like, we are in a VM right now. You know how hard it is to fucking escape from a VM, my guy? Alright, yeah. Go ahead and make sure you turn all this shit off. Turn all that shit off. We are not... We are Linux users. Turn it off. This must have been the recent one I'm doing. I'll go down here if you don't want to restore anything, just go ahead and more options and set up as a new PC. Set up as new PC. Okay. Getting things ready for you. Alright. Let's see what it's gonna do. It's gonna offer us a million things to buy. Skip. Not now. Decline. Okay, next. Get ready to decline something else. Skip it. Alright, and here we go. Finishing up, and it should put us into the... There it is. Alright. Ugh. Look at that light mode. And look, if you see, go to settings, and then we're gonna go to personalization. We can't change nothing. But guess what? There's a solution to that, and I'm gonna show you. Alright, so we're not paying what is it, like $140 for a fucking activation key? Yeah, fuck you, Windows. And fuck you too, Bill Gates, you fucking pervert. So we're gonna go to here, go registry editor. Oh, go ahead and open that thing up. Yes. Alright, go to right here, bam. H key current user. And then we're gonna go down to software. Go find Microsoft. Go all the way down to the bottom to Windows. Alright. Go ahead and bump this out so we can read what the fuck we're doing. I'm gonna go to current version. Alright, and then we're gonna go down and we're gonna find themes. Alright. Go to personalize. We could also just bam, find it like that as well. Alright, instead of going all through this, we just go bam, right through and find it. Alright, so double click this, set that to 0. Alright, system uses light theme, turn that into a 0. Okay. And that is it. X out of that. If we pull up this, alright, it's now dark. Nice. Yeah, we're gonna have to reboot for this to look good. I'm not gonna lie to you. So hop on Microsoft Edge real quick. Sorry for that. I might edit that out. Maybe not. So we are looking for Spice space bam. I'm gonna go ahead and if you're not brought to this already, click download. Go down to Windows binaries, Spice Guest Tools. Download that sucker. Open file. Yes. Next, I agree. Alright, and then what this is going to do after we click install is we're going to click view, scale display, auto resize VM with window. And then we're going to see some magic happen. You guys ready? Any minute now. Alright. There it is. Bam. Look at that. Fits our whole screen, looks nice. Doesn't even look like a VM. It looks like Windows. Finish. We're going to go ahead and close all this. We're going to go ahead and open a terminal. Alright. Make sure we do WSL install. Yes, we want to do that. We're also going to be setting archlinux up in our WSL, because in WSL2 there is no archlinux, no such thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do that. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and reboot. Alright, restarting. It's gonna set up WSL for us, as well as the dark theme. Alright, so alright, don't press nothing here, just let it go. It doesn't take that long to load for a VM, quite surprisingly. Okay. Bam, look at that. Look at that free dark theme, baby. Oh yeah, I like it. I like it. Alright. Now if we open up, bam. We're gonna go PowerShell. And then in the description, I will have the link for this executable for archlinux to install. Alright. I'm just getting it ready real quick. Alright. Okay, that is the complete wrong one. Bam, there it is. Alright. Oh yeah, and the copy and paste is now enabled when we installed those Spice guest tools. So copy link address, bring it over here. I'm gonna pop that sucker in here. Bam, bam. I'm gonna go over here to releases, and we're gonna download arch.zip. Okay, once that's downloaded, X out of that. Now we can go bam bam. Oh shit, sorry about that. So what we're gonna want to do here is go to your downloads, extract this, extract, and then move the file to the C drive, local disk. And then X out of that. And then go back to your PowerShell, go cd arch, bam, and then run the arch exe. That'll install archlinux for you. Alright. Alright, it's done. Enter. Okay, now we can just do arch. Oh shit, hold on, sorry. Gotta X out of that. And then, like, bam, PowerShell, bam, arch. Control Shift 4. We'll do it that way. Control Shift 4. Alright. Oh, there it is. So we have to continue to set some few more things up. So I want to go ahead and do a pacman -key -init. That'll go ahead and refresh and verify our keyring. Alright. And then we're just going to rerun that with populate. And here, this is completely optional. I mean, I've never really ran into problems with it, but you can do refresh. No, we're not going to do that because we didn't change anything in the settings. So we're going to do pacman -sy archlinux keyring. Sorry for my typing, I'm so sorry. -- needed, in case we have it. Okay, we already have it, see? Just double check, you know what I'm saying? Cool. Just make sure we're in that directory. Now run pacman -syu. That'll update all the packages for us. Yes, update them suckers. Look at that, it's beautiful. It's Arch Linux, baby, on Windows. I love it. And also, sooner or later, we will have a video about tampering with hypervisor, like with the Hyper-V hypervisor, and basically enabling nested virtualization inside of a VM. Alright, it's pretty cool, huh? Alright, so now we can do a pacman -s fish. Fish shells are amazing. You can do bash, zsh, whatever. Fish is just the way to go. Alright, go ahead and install that. Now we can do a group add sudo. Then we can fin. Go ahead and uncomment this. Okay. Go ahead and comment this as well. And then save it. Nope. Now we will be adding the new admin user. And we will be assigning the fish shell to that user as well. And we're going to go ahead and put our username we want in. So I'm going to call myself Linux, alright? Because Linux rocks. Then go ahead and set a password for that user. Okay. Okay. Now it's time to go back over here. CD into the C drive. CD into Arch Linux. Run that Arch executable again. Pass it config dd default user and put your username. Oh, I spelled default wrong. No, wait. Did I fucking spell something different? Oh yeah, it's this, I believe. No. Okay. Okay, there we go. It worked. Not really sure. Oh, I spelled the font wrong. I'm sorry. Yeah. What an idiot. Alright, now we can go ahead and X out of that. Close all this. Fire this up. Okay, yep. Up. Remember Control-Shift-4. Bring us right into archlinux. And look at that. Bam. That is beautiful. Beautiful. So let's go ahead and grab Fast Fetch. It's great. Fast Fetch. Bam. Look at that. Great. It's beautiful. And now we're going to install Yay. So we're gonna run a git clone https r.archlinux. This will be in the description as well. Yay. Sorry. Run sudo pacman. It's needed git no confirm. I believe it's that. I want to say. Okay. Hold on. Okay, cd into Yay directory. We're gonna go ahead and make package -si. Okay, that's new. Let's try to make package -I, see if that works. Okay. Let's see what the fuck's going on here. Just gonna run a git clone. Yeah. Bro, what? What is going on here? Hold on. Oh. Okay. I know why. I'm sorry, guys. So sorry. That's why nothing's working. How silly of me. Now we're gonna do this. Let's see if it works. Should work. Nice. That's nice. Just gonna go ahead and install Go. And then I can use Go to download all the fucking nice. We're just gonna use Go to download all the dependencies. It's gonna go ahead and do its thing. Alright, Yay is now installed, and we can it's nice. It is looking good now, so I'm gonna show you how to set some aliases and fish. Some helpful ones, not gonna lie. So we're gonna go vim.config fish config.fish. Okay, go ahead and delete that shit. We don't need it. And alright, so I'm going to show you this. Just disable that ugly greeting message we always get. You know what I mean? This is gonna set our editor as Vim or NVim. Sorry, everyone's favorite. Yeah, unless you're an Emacs user, I got that too on my GitHub. You can go on Mr. Configs, and I have Emacs, which is Wrexham's, with some custom keybinds of mine. But it's Wrexham's configs, if you know who he is. TS Oding. Okay, I'm gonna put these in here. Bam. Okay. Make that a little more neat. Okay. Go ahead and save that. Now we can just close it. I'm lazy. I don't feel like sourcing that again. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, it's looking good. It's looking good. Or we can do a fast fetch. Always pass it -L. You can do Linux if you want. So it gives you the Linux penguin. You can do -arch. Bam. You can do Debian. You can do basically any distro. Nix OS. That's gay. We don't really like Nix. Ubuntu. You can do it all. It's got all you can look. We can do Windows 95. Oh shit. Nope, never mind. It's Windows. Man. It's pretty cool. You know what I mean? And that's basically it for today. And next video, if anyone watches these, you let me know. Alright? This might be a terrible fucking first video, not gonna lie, but hey, gotta start somewhere. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you later.